Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video it's a most important video. So in this video I will tell certain tips and tricks and how to get pass in this subject C and C++, as many of you students were having backlogged in this subject. Not only regular students, already pursuing students and already graduation completed students is also having this subject backlog. So here in this video I will tell some of the important questions, not important questions, important questions I have already given, certain tips and tricks where you can easily get passing marks in this subject. Okay, so first thing as it is a C language is a programming paper. Without attempting programming you can't pass this subject. Okay, minimum you need to learn the basic structure programming of 2 to 3 programs. You need to by heart it. Okay, so without that you can't even pass this subject so because I am giving clarity before only, some students are saying me that only theory I have written. If you have written only theory in this subject means you will definitely get fail. Though it is a 18 marks is a passing marks, 50 marks will be the question paper. Scoring 18 marks is easy, but this type of practical subjects, for them it will be hard only okay. So here whatever the tips I can say is, first you remember the programs. Okay, any 2 programs or 3 programs you by heart it. Okay, anyway I have given the damn sure questions. Prepare any 3 units, hardly 7 to 8 questions is there. Okay, that 7 to 8 questions you need to prepare it along with the answers. Answers writing is nothing only program you need to elaborate it. Okay, so answers theory part is 0. Okay, just out of 100%, 5% will be the theory part. Remaining 95% belongs to the programming only. So that's why you need to learn the program. And program learning is nothing but you need to remember whatever you are having in that book or material. So just what they will see is whether the student is written the programs or not. If in case if he is returning, if he wrote means how much they have wrote, whether they have attempted all questions or not. So 2 hours will be the time, no? So you need to attempt 5 long and 5 short. Whether you know or do know the question, you give an attempt. Okay, what will happen if you attempt 1 or 2 marks? They will give, no? For attempting also they will allow you marks. So that's why some of the students what they will tell means I don't know that question, so that's why I have didn't attempted that question. So this type of things they will tell, but you don't do that mistake. Compulsory you need to attempt full question paper. How many they have asked? 5 long they have asked, you need to write it 5 long. Okay, so compulsory you need to clear out this subject. This is the hardest, one of the toughest subject in whole graduation. Again I am saying one of the toughest subject. Okay, so in first year, second sem and first sem, out of first sem and second sem, C language will be the most hardest subject rather than accounts. Okay, so you just practice whatever the questions I have given along with the answers. Notes PDF also I have uploaded in the Telegram group. I only made the notes easily. If you find out the answers in CR material or any other materials, you will get difficulties in understanding. Okay, so that's why I have made my notes. I will upload that notes in Telegram group. Telegram group link is given in the description box and you present it. Okay, and one more thing after going into the examination center, you use only black pen. Okay, use only black pen. After taking the booklet, you draw neatly lines. Already it will be at lines. One line you need to draw for the margin, no? So you draw the lines neatly. You present your question numbers. Okay, handwriting should be neat. Okay, so this is a common thing, but you need to follow it. Okay, that's why I'm saying it. Okay, and next you need to start part B only. Part A is only 2 marks question. if you have written only 5 to 6 lines, that would be enough. Compulsory they will give 1 mark for attempting part A questions. You ignore part A first, concentrate on part B, because part B consists of 40 marks. So 5 questions you need to attempt. Each question carries 8 marks, no? So 5 8s are 40. So that's why you concentrate only on part B. And part A, just 2 to 3, 4 to lines, 4 5 lines if you have written also, it will be fine. Got it? So like that you need to attempt every question, especially 6th sem students, those who are having backlog of C and C++. You need to take this subject as very sincere, because this is the second semester subject, no? If you have failed in this subject, means again 1 year you need to be waste in the subject, means next year only you need to write the backlog of this subject. Okay, so just be conscious about this subject. Don't neglect whatever the important questions I have given. Hardly 10 questions I have given. If you're perfect with the 10 questions, you can score A or A plus also. If you want only passing marks, prepare any 3 questions from the questions whichever I have given. Got it? So follow these tips and tricks in your examination. And programs, they will not see whether you have written correct or not. What they will see is whether the student has written the programs, whether they have written all the questions or not. This they will consider. Mostly they will try to pass this subject, but attempting 5 long and attempting 5 short is in your hands. Totally it is in your hands. If you neglect this subject, then you will get failed. If you take this subject as sincere and attempt every question and follow the tips, definitely you will pass. Okay? So this is all about the video, students. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, and share with all your friends and groups. Okay, hope this video will be useful to you all, and all the very best, and see you all next video. Bye bye, students.